Yo, 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 what up, YouTube reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now. As you can see, we have a package right here, and this one is going to be a little bit different, so let's get down to the down gritty. Well, it's supposed to be the nitty gritty down diddy. So we can just pop that off to the side. Pop it off the side. No bat knife because this one doesn't need the bat knife. Maybe it do. I don't know. I got it upside down. Let's get this open. There we go. Smooth this out the way because most likely it has paperwork inside of it like it always does. Here we go. Bada bing, baby. That's what we got right there, the iPhone 17 Pro. I was going to get the 17 Pro Max, but after watching a lot of the videos and stuff like that, come to find out that this one is way better. I would have got the Air, but I wasn't feeling it because it has more of the Google type of look. The thing that I liked about the I wish it had a bigger size like the Air has, which was I think it was a 6.4, 6.5 inch screen, and I think this one is a 6.3. I just wish they flipped it around like that. I'll put the corrections on the screen if I got it incorrectly like that. But come to find out with the heat test and stuff like that, that this actually recovers from heat way better, and it has a little better battery. Not towards the max, but it does have a better battery when it comes towards days usage, because with my phone I kill my battery very quickly. So no further ado, let's unbox this thing right now. Let's just do it so you guys can hear it. Let me get close to my microphone. There we go. Let's get the second part right now. There we go. So let's get this bad boy out. Ooh, I love this. And why does it have a dirt mark on it? Look at this. You see that? Right there on the lens. Why? 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 Probably from the paperwork, but let's get this up. Oh, this thing is heavy. Let's get this last one. Let you guys hear it. There we go. Normal thing. Get the normal cord right here. I will put the specs and stuff up on the screen right now as we speak. So here's all the specs for this phone right there. I am not going to sit up here. I got somewhere to go today. So yeah, this is the phone. I do like it. Currently right now I'm using my iPhone 15 Pro as my display screen, but I do like this. So I do have another accessory right here. Got this one off of Amazon, which I really don't like buying stuff off of Amazon, but we need a case and we're gonna unbox this thing because we do need a screen protector for it. This did come with a screen protector and all that good stuff with this. So came with a privacy screen protector. So let's get that out. This, try to get this thing out. You know, we had to go with the blue with the blue. There we go. Does this have any film in it? I don't know. I'm gonna leave it the way it is, and boom, there we go. Nice case, blue and blue. Love it. So let's get one of the privacy screen protectors out. I pretty much do this all the time. I forgot where I put my actual case for it, but this might be a different screen. So let's just get the wet nap out. Clean this screen really quick, which is brand new. But I was touching the screen, so have to do that. Okay. So we got some micro dust and stuff on here. The reason why I pretty much do it like this is so I can pretty much just drop this on there as so. Did y'all hear that? That thing sounds terrible. There we go. That sink in. That's why I put the case on it like that, so it just goes straight through really quick. And get these air bubbles out. There we go. privacy screen protector. Power it up for the first time. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom. Get this stuff out the way. Cord. I don't need this cord right now because I have plenty of iPhone cases. I mean cords. This one kind of look better though. I'm gonna just keep this here. Put this back in here. Get this all set up. It's like this. I still have another screen protector right here, so there's a backup one right here. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go right there. Get your privacy screen like that. There we go, guys. So this is the iPhone 17 Pro. Let's get this extra one out of the way. So keep this here. Pack this up. I will go into a more depth view. I had things that I was going to do for this video, but I'm not going to do it in this video. I do have extra stuff I want to do with you guys, but I'm going to do that at a different time. This is going to go with my 1,000,001 iPhones that I have in my closet. If y'all don't know, I skipped the iPhone 16 Pro models because it only had, really wasn't no big upgrade. So I love this. So yeah. Let me see if my battery bank will work on this. Which the thing, so my phone came off. Okay, my battery bank. Yes, there we go. Let's turn it on real quick. There we go. Let's see if it charges. There we go. Bada bing, bada boom, we good. So there we go right there. Let that charge itself up. And let me move all this extra crap. All right, guys. So that's the video. And I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. One.